The implications of the Chinese new tightening of export controls on rare earths are profound because the export controls will greatly impact the ability of Pentagon to produce weapons for the US military. I will put a link under this video to a report by Govini. Go to the bottom of page 3 of the report and you will see a table with details on how the various military departments must use rare earth minerals to produce their weapon systems. Notice these from the table from the rightmost blue column. 1. About 92% of the weapon systems for the US Navy is impacted. 2. About 85% of the weapon systems of the US Air Force is impacted. 3. For the US Army, about 70% of their weapon systems is impacted. 4. For the US Marine Corps, about 62% of their weapon systems is impacted. For the entire US military, about 78% of all the weapon systems is impacted. Basically, the information in the table says the US should stop fighting wars because the country does not have enough weapon systems to fight a prolonged war. Colonel Douglas Macgregor has repeatedly said the same thing. In responding to what General Jack Keane said in a Fox News appearance, Colonel Douglas Macgregor said this: "We're going to be at war with Russia, and we don't have the manufacturing base that we did 80 years ago. We're not going to be able to gear up quickly for a war. We're not going to be able to keep up with the wastage and missiles and equipment that are necessary to fight a war." About a couple hours ago today, October 10th, 2025, President Trump responded to China's new restrictions on rare earth elements and related technologies. Trump characterized the restrictions as hostile and a move to hold the global economy captive. Further, Trump threatened a massive increase in tariffs on Chinese goods and stated there is no reason to meet with Chinese President Xi Jinping, escalating tensions between the two nations. This is because Trump had previously announced plans to meet Xi on the sidelines of the Asia-Pacific Economic Cooperation Summit in South Korea later in October 2025. Trump now claims the meeting is unnecessary. China had not officially confirmed the meeting. Further, Trump suggested that the timing of China's new restrictions shortly after the US brokered a Gaza ceasefire was suspicious and possibly retaliatory. In addition to potential tariff hikes, Trump indicated that many other countermeasures are under consideration. He asserted that the US holds its own monopoly positions, particularly in advanced semiconductor technology.